Hi, my name is Shaden, and I will be talking to you about a community-based project I did for my Integrating Instructional Technology class here at Arkansas Tech University, where I'm majoring in elementary education and I'm studying with a minor in psychology. During this project, we had to go out and interview a teacher who was within our career field. I happened to go to church with a teacher who is a music education teacher, and so I decided I would interview her. This right here is Rachel Nye. She is an elementary music director at Huebner Elementary School in Huebner, Oklahoma. Excuse me. She is a first-year teacher here and has had a few problems that most first-year teachers face. Being a music director, you are not subject to many different technology tools in the classroom. So, my project was to help her. In Huebner, Oklahoma, right here, the population is 3,343 as of 2016. Now, if you know anything about Oklahoma, Oklahoma has had a teacher strike. So that means no teachers are working, and they're all trying to march to the Capitol for better rights. Most of this is funding for their classrooms because the classrooms are falling apart. And there have been many schools shut down due to lack of teachers, and schools that only go 3 to 4 days a week. Okay. So her problem is she has limited class supplies. Ms. Nye only has one tablet, which belongs to her, and one computer, which also belongs to her, that are available in her classroom. Now, as a way to fix this, I had to look up different solutions, and so I did. Another part of her problem is helping her children learn music. One way she wishes she could do so is by having a smart board or a projector, which would allow her to cast a video or a presentation to the entire classroom. She is having trouble grading individuals and finding out whether or not they actually know the material or if they're just bumming off of somebody else. She's having trouble making sure the students practice and keeping her parents informed, and keeping all the kids and parents and faculty or anybody who needs to know informed. So my solutions are as continued. Solution 1 is Site Rating Factory. Site Rating Factory is a free online site rating website, which can also be downloaded on iOS and I believe Android now. On Site Rating Factory, you can sight read and sing different music, which can be customed to your level of experience. Whenever I was in high school, my choir director introduced us to this, and they bought a classroom set so you could have individual accounts and you could create assignments. This was also manually graded, and it was a way to make sure that everybody was actually practicing and taking part in learning how to read music. This could help her students because then she will know how to assess them and how far they've come with their music reading skills. Edmodo is also another idea or another proposed solution. It is a parent, student, and teacher website. So a teacher can post an assignment and parents and students can create a free login or a free account, and they can join the classroom, and they will always know or be informed of what's going on. On this website, you can include quizzes, assignments, polls, and other gadgets to make sure that your students and your parents are well informed. It's like Facebook, but it's a lot safer for children, especially whenever you're integrating social media into the classroom at such a young age. Solution 3 is a handheld projector. Often teachers buy their own tools for the classroom, and it is not favorable. However, I was able to find a projector that was low cost and sold on Amazon for under $20. Excuse me. This projector was the size of somebody's palm and was portable. You could leave it in the classroom or you could take it out and about. You were not required to have a specific sheet to go with it, so she could project it onto her whiteboard, which would also allow her to write while projecting. Excuse me. A solution for this could be have all your students bring in $1 or donate, or donations are always nice, and that could help her with one thing in her classroom that she is lacking in, because Heavener is such a poor school and Oklahoma is just a poor state right now. And donations are widely accepted. My final analysis is her room is not abundant in technology. As you can see here, these kids are all interacting with the smart board, and this teacher has a projector, a DVD player. Rachel Nye does not have these things, and she would like to have these things because it makes teaching music easier for elementary students, because it keeps their attention focused more. Excuse me. A lot of this is working with a budget. Being a music director in elementary, you do not have much to work with, and it's hard. So a lot of what she buys comes out of her own paycheck. And making it work, she is currently using her own tablet and her own laptop, and she's been making it work all semester. But by incorporating the 3 previous slides, she'll be able to make it work a lot easier. And finally, Edmodo, Sight Reading Factory, and the Edmodo, Sight Reading Factory, and buying a small projector can help her classroom immensely. Each of these tools are multifunctional, and they can be used for several they can be used for several different things. This can generate quizzes and assignments and post assignments on there, such as links to things like this, and make sure the students are doing this. And then this can be used for her in her classroom to show the kids videos and help them with learning music. Each of these individual tools make learning more fun and easy. Thank you for this.